How are you guys? Today we are doing our amazing advertisement on cakes. But first, I would like to introduce our team. We have Ritika as our CEO, Tiana as our co-founder, Angel Jasmine Aradia as the in charge of charts, Tariq as the chief of creativity, Takshit as the voice of the brand, and me as the digital app in charge.
We are in Japan and our company called Kicks are going to explain our whole process of this company. I would like to invite you.
First, we like to play the video, and then I would like to say that. Our brand revolves around comfort, fashion, and elegance. And we are a company. Our brand revolves around comfort, fashion, and elegance. We are a company based on Japan, and our shoes are very traditional and are selected from top brands. We offer our customers different varieties of shoes with many classic choices, as we have the black formal half shoes with the STWDs as our casuals and many more.
Our brand is mostly based on casual and forever, allowing people to rely on one brand for all kinds of shoes.
Our shoe is inspired by modern culture. Our shoe resembles unity and freedom. Why go to another company when you can just find all kinds of shoe in one company? In one place of our company. Our company believes that shoes are feelings. It is an emotion that you cannot even go out without a proper pair of shoes. Now I would like to call our digital and app in charge to show our app.
Good morning, everyone. Today, I'm excited to present Kicks, Bahrain's premium digital destination for sneaker enthusiasts. This web platform is designed to be more than just a site. It's a community for people who values style and quality. I'll walk you through how the website works, our brand story, and our core values we stand for. The user experience is designed to be simple and intuitive. When you arrive, you're met with our Step into Style hero section. You can immediately click on Shop Now to jump into the actions. In our collection section, we have a variety of shoes. The best part is, when you click on a shoe you like, you have the opportunity to customize your choice. You can choose the size, you can choose the desired color you like, and all the pricing is clearly mentioned in BHD, Bahraini dinar. No matter where you are on the website, our top navigation helps you to instantly jump into About Us section or Contact section. And this cards on the top right tabs your selections. If you scroll down to our story, you will see the heart of the brand. Kick started with a simple idea that everyone deserves to walk in style. We are located right here in Bahrain in Ambaj Islands. Over the last 5 years, we have grown from a small passion project into a destination serving over 500 happy customers. Our team of enthusiasts hand selects every shoe from limited editions to classical designs to ensure that Bahrain sneaker culture stays ahead of the global curve. And we have our 4 pillars, the values. To maintain our high standards, we follow 4 specific pillars, which are our values, which you can see highlighted in About Kicks section. Our 4 pillars of values are premium quality. We source only from top brands across the worldwide. Quality is never a compromise. Customer first. We prioritize the shopping experience, whether it's through a 24/7 support or easy returns. The customer is at the center of our business. Passion for Kicks. This isn't just a business for us. We are fans of the culture. We curate our collection with a genuine love for sneakers. And latest trends. We stay updated with the newest styles and exclusive releases, so our customers are always waiting what's next. We are proud to showcase our partnership with world class brands like Nike and Adidas. This confirms the authenticity of our products. And you can contact us. If a user needs help, our Get in Touch section provides a physical address, phone number, and a direct send us a message form. Social connection. At the bottom, users can find our Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook links to stay updated on the latest sneaker drops. In conclusion, Kicks combines a passion for sneakers with a professional, easy-to-use digital platform. It's designed to make sure that no matter where you are in Bahrain, the best shoes in the world are just a few clicks away. Thank you for your time.
For F1 showcase, we would like to show how can you customize a shoe. We can customize your shoe.
When you click on a shoe you like, you have the opportunity to customize your choice. Here you can choose the desired size and color.
Example, I want a color red. So that's selected, and then you can go add it to cart. Add it to cart, and then you go to cart, and see your US 11 color red is there in your cart. And
If you wanna remove this shoes, you can just click on delete button and it gets removed. And this is how you can customize, and that's it. In the end, me and my team believe that a proper shoe can take you to new places, and that proper, authentic, comfortable shoe will be given to you by Kicks.
Thank you everyone.